Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open the trunk. So what you got to do is, if you're in your vehicle, you come out, and you got to make sure it's unlocked. So what you do is, you go back here, and you put your hand right here. And I have my key fob on me, so it unlocked. And you pull, just like that. And then, to close it, you push. So pull, that's how you unlock your trunk. Open it. That's how you open it. Let me get that out of the way so we're not advertising. But I'm not sponsored by anybody. I'm not that big of a channel yet. But once I don't even check my emails either. So if I check my emails, I would see if I got some crappy sponsor, because I'm not a big enough channel right now to get a good sponsor. That's my guess. But anyway, I could be wrong. And I'm always wrong. Well, not always wrong, but I'm sometimes wrong. Sometimes right. Sometimes, the glass is not half full or empty. It's all the way full, because the entire bottle has molecules and atoms and quarks and all kinds of bosons and leptons, quantum particles, and quantum foam. It's a mass of virtual particles and coming in and out of existence. Mass and massless particles and non-particles coming into out, like just light going from one energy level down to another, or up. Like light's not, the atoms are coming from up to down, and light's going off like a Feynman diagram. You ever see a Feynman diagram? Feynman, Feynman, I think it's his name. But anyway, so we're getting much off track. But that's how. It's the Toyota RAV4. That's how you open a trunk, and that's how you close a trunk. And if you have the key fob, and when I see key fob, it's FOB, fob. This is it. If you have this on it, it has a chip in it, and I guess there's a sensor. There's antennas. There's like 3, 4, 5 antennas throughout the car, like around the upper part of the car, like up here. They're in the walls. I don't know where they're at, but they transmit to. It's like a radio receiver, I believe, or some type of transmitter receiver. That type of technology. But anyway, when you get close to the door, it'll get within the radio range, and it'll transmit. It's like talking to each other through the waves, electromagnetic waves, and unlocks and locks the door. So if you have this around the trunk area back there, or around the driver door or passenger door, it'll or near the on off. So it's got to be within a range. It'll unlock, lock, start, do those three functions. But anyway, have yourself a great day. And this is Matthumanpizza. And if you're wondering why you stumbled upon this video, it's because you got to relate. That's what people do. They relate to other human beings and their thoughts, their talkings, and their bipeds. It's another biped. You're not alone. You're a biped, and I'm a biped, and we're on the same planet, and we're experiencing this unknown variable that is existence, that we have no idea what's going on. Some people think they know what's going on. They might try to say what's going on, but there's nobody knows what's going on. It's just crazy. It's real crazy. We're just there's meat eaters, there's vegetarians, there's all these different subjects and concepts and ideas, and jobs, and making money, and losing money, and crime, and all this different kind of stuff. It's crazy. It's life. There's viruses that may or may not be life. Bacteria. It's just a bunch of stuff going on. Bunch of stuff. Good, evil, bad, ugly, pretty, beautiful, reproduction. It's a bunch of stuff. So stay tuned. This is Matthumanpizza, and I do a bunch of easy videos, hard videos, medium videos, difficult videos, any kind of videos with vehicles, because that's my brand, is taking apart vehicles or showing you features that's on a car, a truck, an SUV, really crappy cars, really fancy cars, what have you. That's what we do here at Matthumanpizza. There's a lot bigger channels that do this kind of stuff, but I try to, I do the same stuff, but I try to go off my own little tangent, my own little uniqueness. So that's where the Matthumanpizza brand is. And I try to keep it copacetic. So have a great day. Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, we're going to show you how to open the trunk door. There is no special latches or nothing to do. All you got to do is, this is a Toyota RAV4, and all you got to do is go back here and make sure it's unlocked. And to be certain that it is a Toyota RAV4, since some people have trouble if they don't know what car it is. Toyota RAV4, RAV short for ravioli, but anyway, and there's 4 of them for 4 raviolis. Old glory, and remember, old and glorious. The glorious way is to be old and glorious. So old glory. Have a great day. I mean, it's a dumb video. Look, it's not doing it.
You're pressing it too much. You don't press a lot.
It shouldn't matter. Just
you gotta press and hold.
Press and hold. It opens it up. There we go. Press and hold. Alright, welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. I'm going to show you how to adjust the steering wheel. So down here, right here. See that? Push that down. Once you got that pushed down, then you can move your steering wheel up and down, just like that. And once you get it in place to where you want it, you just pull that back. It locks it in place. You see that? So reach up in there and pull that down, move it up and down, get it where you want. I like mine in the lowest position, and then you lock it. Steering wheel is locked because the car is off. But anyway, that's how you adjust your steering wheel on a Toyota RAV4, and you can tell that this is the Toyota from that logo right there. That's the Toyota logo. I am at Matthumanpizza, and it gets really hot in the summertime and really cold in the wintertime at this latitude, longitude on this planet Earth. So here it gets it's temper something, so where it's not too hot, not too cold, but it does get really hot and it does get really cold. But in the summertime, the technology invention, air conditioning, helps you stay alive in the closer to the equator you get. And the heating, the various modes of heating, keeps you alive the closer you get to the poles. So North Pole, South Pole, the top of the globe, the farther away you get from the equator. But anyway, this is how that's a little off topic, but this is how you adjust the steering wheel. And I hope you have a great day. This is a Toyota RAV4. It's a 2010. So at the current time, it's 9 years old. But I think this video will come out in 2020, which is the future, 2020. It's 220s, 2020, 2020. And yeah, living in the future. This is like it's the future, so we're in the future right now, and enjoy it. So but that's how you adjust your steering wheel in your Toyota RAV4. Just that little lever down there, and I like mine on the lowest position, but some people have giant thick legs or something and they want to adjust it up. But the steering wheel is, it's good for me. This is where I like to have the steering wheel. But this is Matthumanpizza, and I do a bunch of videos on Toyota RAV4, Mercury Mystique, which is a Ford Contour, and have a Chevy Equinox, Mazda 626. Got a few BMW videos, and that's that. Have a good day. Press and hold. It opens it up. There we go. Press and hold. I mean, it's a dumb video. Look, it's not doing it.
You're pressing it too much. You don't press a lot.
It shouldn't matter. Just
You
press
got to press and hold.